Now let's talk about how to compare and calculate weights when shopping. Here we have 3 pictures of 3 different types of liquids and the amount that they weigh. Since we're going to be comparing these, let's put them all into ounces. We're going to change our compound weights in pounds and ounces into simply ounces. It'll be easier to compare that way. The thing we need to remember here is that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Now, if 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, and here we have 1 pound and 10 ounces, that's going to be the same thing as 16 plus 10, since 1 pound is 16 ounces. Now, 16 plus 10 is 26, so this bottle holds 26 ounces. Our second bottle has 2 pounds and 12 ounces. Now 2 pounds times 16 ounces for each pound would be 32 ounces. And then we have to also remember to add our 12 ounces that we already had. Now 32 plus 12 is 44 ounces in this container. Our third container holds 1 pound and 5 ounces. 1 pound again is equal to 16 ounces. So we're going to have 16 plus the 15 that we already had. Now 16 plus 15 is 31 ounces. Now let's look at the questions we're going to need to figure out. Question 1. The bottle of beer is blank ounces lighter than the bottle of milk. So here we're looking at our first one and our third one, and we want to know the difference in their weights. So we're going to take our 31, which is the weight of our milk, and we're going to subtract from that the 26, the weight of our beer. Now 31 minus 26 is 5. So the bottle of beer is 5 ounces lighter than the bottle of milk. Our second question says the bottle of juice is blank pounds and blank ounces heavier than the bottle of milk. So here we're going to be looking at our second bottle and again at our third bottle. So we're going to take the difference again. This time we're going to do 44 minus 31, and we're going to find that our answer is 13 ounces. Now the question is asking us to put this in pounds and ounces. But since we only have 13 ounces, we don't have enough to make a full 16 ounces, which would be a pound. So we really don't have any pounds. All we have are ounces. So we're going to fill in that there's no pounds and 13 ounces. A bottle of juice is 13 ounces heavier than the bottle of milk. Now our third question asks us to find the total weight of the 3 items. This time we're going to have to add. So let's add 26 plus 44 plus 31. If we add these all together, we're going to find that we have 101 total ounces. Now, again, we want our answer in pounds and ounces, so we're going to have to figure out how many pounds there are in 101 ounces. Now, I know that 6 times 16 is equal to 96. And since there are 16 ounces in a pound, I know that 96 ounces would be 6 pounds. So since 101 is just over 96, I know that I can fit 6 pounds into my 101 ounces. Now I'm going to have to subtract to see how many ounces I have left over. So I'm going to do 101 minus 96, and I'm going to find that I have 5 ounces left over. So the total weight of all of my juice, beer, and milk is 6 pounds and 5 ounces.